समझ नहीं आ रहा अपने सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट का क्या करूं।
बेटा इतना क्या सोच रहा है? अपने म्यूचुअल फंड्स के एसआईपी का टॉपअप करा ले। दिस इज द राइट टाइम।
क्या? समझ में नहीं आया।
बेटा इतना क्या सोच रहा है? अपने म्यूचुअल फंड्स का एसआईपी टॉपअप करा ले। दिस इज द राइट टाइम।
आप समझा।
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.
It is a civic election, but it has all the vitriol, the energy, and the fierceness of an assembly or maybe even a national election. After all, we are talking about who will control the city of Mumbai, India's financial center, but also the heart of the high stakes state of Maharashtra. For the Thackeray brothers, especially, this could be a make or break election. On the program today, what do the findings of a new Sea Voter survey tell us about how voters are looking at the issue in this election on the eve of the polls? But also looking at the rhetoric of this campaign, a campaign that has seen the BJP's Anna Malai pitted against the two Thackeray brothers, a campaign that has restored the debate that actually never left Maharashtra: who's an outsider and who's an insider. I'm Barkha Dutt, you're with the Mojo Story. Who will win the high stakes BMC election? Mumbai will be voting in a few hours from now. You would think it's only a civic election, but not just is the city of Mumbai and the coffers of the BMC richer than several states. This election also has high consequences for Maharashtra politics. We have seen a fragmented politics play out in Maharashtra for several years now. We have seen the Shiv Sena split. We have seen the coming together of Raj Thackeray and Uddhav Thackeray. We have seen the NCP split. We've now also seen an advisor to Ajit Pawar, Naresh Arora, being quote unquote visited by investigative officials. The NCP says it stands with Naresh Arora, and this was not an enforcement visit. It was simply routine questioning. Maharashtra seems perennially in churn, and the question also remains perennial. Who in Mumbai is an outsider and who's an insider? In the city of dreams, is there still a premium placed on being somebody who's from Maharashtra, a Marathi Manus, as is often said? Let me introduce our very, very interesting and fiery panel today as we look at the BMC elections. Yashwant Deshmukh, who of course leads Sea Voter, is our preeminent political analyst. It's always good to have you with us, Yashwant. Thank you. Tehseen Poonawala is here. He is, of course, from Maharashtra himself, a political commentator. I wanted to say a Congress supporter, but these days he's so critical of how the Congress is taking decisions that I think I should say a supporter of the government.
I'm a Congress. No, I'm a Congress supporter. I really want Congress to win, but the Congress is shooting a self-goal by giving its vote on a platter to Shiv Sena UBT.
So
How
hence
can you do
supporter.
that?
Hence, let me at least finish the
How
introduction.
will I win my elections in 29?
So you can see already that Tehseen is very agitated. It should make for an interesting conversation. I also want to welcome to the show Jayesh Wani. He's a leader of the Shiv Sena UBT. Namaskar, Jayesh Bhai. And also joining us is Suzy Ben Shah. She's with the Shiv Sena. Eknath Shinde, I think we should clarify that in her designation. नहीं तो आजकल शिव सेना को देख के काफी confusion होता है कि कौन सी सेना असली सेना है, which will also be, of course, one of the questions. Let me actually start with Yashwant. Yashwant, one of the things that you ask in your Sea Voter survey, and then I'll come to the politicians, is about Brand Thackeray, is about the coming together of Raj and Uddhav Thackeray and what sort of impact that's having on the overall politics. So as the first slide comes up, here, can the Thackerays alliance between themselves make a big difference? This is very interesting. Even the NDA voters are conceding कि कुछ फर्क तो पड़ेगा with the brothers coming together. And of course, the opposition voters have much more faith in the ability of the cousins to change the outcome. It's over to you for this finding.
Well, Barkha, Shiv Sena, for all practical matter, has been a Mumbaikar party. I mean, the Shiv Sena belongs to Mumbai, Mumbai belongs to Shiv Sena. This is the thing which we have all grown up listening to and understanding the politics of Mumbai. So obviously, the emotional equity of Marathi voters remains with the Shiv Sena brand. This faction, that faction, I'm not going with that. I'm going with Babasaheb Thackeray's legacy, and I'm going with the brand of Shiv Sena. Now, obviously, one of the most heartbreaking episodes of those Shiv Sainiks has been the two brothers parting away, and even when Babasaheb was alive, actually, Raj Thackeray went away when he was very much there. So that is something which if you talk to an average Shiv Sainik or average Marathi Manus, that is something which hurt them deep inside, and that is something which has an emotional connect to it. Having said that, Barkha, 25 years is a long time, and what has happened is that not only the demography of Mumbai has changed, but also the new generation of Mumbaikars have come. Now, this new generation of Mumbaikar, do they have that kind of emotional connect with the legacy of Shiv Sena? I seriously doubt that.
And and since you've mentioned demographics, the other part of this slide is to break up the data by those who are Hindi-speaking voters and and those who are Marathi-speaking voters, and look at the difference in the findings. When you look at these numbers, right, you see actually 42.1% of Hindi-speaking voters believing that the Thackeray brothers coming together will make a difference, and 54.8% of Marathi voters. How do you read this finding?
Well, I think I read this with emotion, with the idea that, okay, people at large still think that brand Thackeray, brand Shiv Sena, brand, that way the brand continues. But at the same time, it has weakened. The hold of that brand, the Thackeray brand, has weakened considerably. Number one. Number two, in order to just recapture what their original vote bank of Marathi Manus was, I think they have overplayed the Marathi Manus card to an extent of abusing everybody and anybody who is falling outside the Marathi domain. And I think
do you mean the recent comments made about Annamalai by Raj Thackeray?
Yeah, exactly. Not just that, even the continued aggression against the North Indians, which Tehseen has been so much writing and tweeting about all the time. Mm-hmm. I think that part might not go down well with the new demographics and even with the new generation of the Marathi voters within Mumbai. So that is something which I believe is this otherization, that you do not belong to us. That probably is a kind of a self-goal, I would say, because the demography is different. It's not more the same demography, but at the same time, I can also understand that unless they go back to their core vote and try to regroup, probably their resurgence will be always questioned.
So there is a question in your survey, and we'll come to that later. I want to bring in Tehseen, Suziben, and Jayesh Bhai. There's a question where you say that should the mayor only be somebody who's a Marathi person, and the findings are quite telling, but I'll hold on to the suspense of that. Let's pick up first to Tehseen before we get into the Sena versus Sena debate on our show. Tehseen, your overall perspective, who do you think has the advantage in these elections and why does it matter? Can we unmute Tehseen, please? Go ahead, Tehseen.
Am I audible?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you so much, Barkha, for having me on the show. Happy New Year. I'm seeing most of you all at the first after New Year's. To be honest, who has an advantage? It's close to call. But as an analyst, not as a Congress supporter, I do see my opposition having a slight advantage simply because the Shiv Sena UBT will try and take some Muslim votes from the Congress.
1 minute. Who has the advantage?
My opposition.
The opposition alliance has the advantage.
Yeah, slightly, because the Muslim votes will get split because the Shiv Sena UBT is also going after the Muslim votes. Okay. Now, the problem is I'm not I have an issue with more than the Shiv Sena UBT, the MNS. The MNS is an irritant in Maharashtra politics. It's actually a zero, and maths and politics, anything multiplied by zero is zero. And MNS, actually, I don't know if Yashwant's done this survey. You should, Yashwant, some point see how much has MNS harmed SSUBT as well. Because honestly, when you hear Raj Thakreji's son speak, I mean, a Nepo kid with no sense of politics and an arrogance where he came third in an election, he got what, 33,000 votes in his home constituency. And the guy talks to BBC. You may like or dislike BBC using words like Londe and all. Like, what are you doing, bro? Like, chill. Like, you will dance on Ye Ladki Hai Ye Ladki Hai Allah in a billionaire Gujarati song. If Rajji is unwell, he will go to a Gujarati man's hospital. I'm not talking Ambani, goes to Leelavati, which is by Mehta. But others you will abuse. Why? Why you? And you're talking about Marathi Manus, Kohinoor Mills. Ask your viewers to Google Kohinoor Mills. Whose land was Kohinoor Mills? Ben, तुमने तो आपको तो पता है ना Kohinoor Mills किसका था? Matoshri Infrastructure Developed. How many Marathi Manus got a house there? ये मराठी मानुस में जो टैलेंट था आदरणीय बाला साहेब ठाकरे जी के बाद राज ठाकरे जी में है, और राज ठाकरे जी के बाद अमित ठाकरे जी में है, और किसी में नहीं है मराठी मानुस. आपको और कोई नहीं मिला मराठी मानुस. इसी में टैलेंट आ रहा है. व्हाट इज दिस? And then you act in 2025, 2026 ka Mumbai like you'll beat up people. One kid committed suicide because he was humiliated. This is wrong. This is also hurting Shiv Sena UBT. My problem with Congress is, and I never kept my my dreams. 2029, I want to contest Pune. Now you're taking away the Muslim vote also. So what vote is left with the Congress? The Brahmin vote's gone. The Muslim vote's gone. The SC vote is gone. Which vote are we going to contest on?
So
Who's
in one
voting for us?
line, what is the biggest mistake the Congress has made in these polls?
Congress should not. Congress did not make a mistake by not aligning with them. Very good on that. It did not make, but the Congress should be more aggressive against these parties. These parties are absolutely have no ideology. Regional parties in Maharashtra, particularly the Thakre cousins. Until day before yesterday, they were telling each other, "हम आपके हैं कौन?" Today they are holding stage, "हम साथ साथ हैं." भाई ये क्या चल रहा है? Until yesterday, they were telling each other that how both of them have backstabbed respected Bala Sahib Thakre. Today, they've come to say Bala Sahib Thakre. Bhai, ऐसा कैसा? 5 years आप सो गए और suddenly Marathi Manus खतरे में. अच्छा, I'll tell you one more thing. Just one fact. I don't like Adani. Just for the record, I don't like Adani. How did Adani get this project in Dharavi? This project in Dharavi actually had gone to a Dubai-based builder. You know who cancelled it? Respected Uddhav ji as chief minister. It's a fact. And everything that I put on Twitter, not one defamation notice they've been able to send me. Why? Because they are misleading the people of Maharashtra. You fight on issues. Don't mislead people of Maharashtra.
Let's open this up. पहले मैं जयेश भाई के पास आऊंगी, then Suzy Ben, because there has been a point made about the MNS. राज ठाकरे की जो comments रहे अन्नामलाई को लेके, using words like rasmalai, lungi हटाओ, which was of course by the way an invocation of an old Bal Thakre phrase. जब तहसीन कहते हैं जयेश जी that MNS is an irritant. Secondly, there are no issues. जहां पे आप एक दूसरे को गालियां दे रहे थे, वहां पे आज एक दूसरे के हाथ पकड़ के पॉलिटिक्स कर रहे हैं. लोग नहीं इसको बिलीव करेंगे. What do you say?
तहसीन पूनावाला जी जो कह रहे हैं वो क्या होता है ना, बहुत ऊपरी बात है. तहसीन पूनावाला जी अगर सच में कांग्रेस के सपोर्टर है तो उन्हें याद होगा कि 2019 में इन्हीं राज ठाकरे को सर पर लेकर कांग्रेस पूरे महाराष्ट्र में नाच रही थी, जो मोदी जी को गलिया रहे थे लावरे तो वीडियो कह के. तो राज ठाकरे जी जब उनकी कांग्रेस के साथ है तब बड़े अच्छे हैं, और अगर हमारे साथ आते हैं तो वो इरिटेट होते हैं. तो ये जो दोहरी नीति है ना कांग्रेस की या फिर तहसीन पूनावाला की, मुझे नहीं लगता ये कांग्रेस की भूमिका है. ऑफिशियल वो अगर कांग्रेस की तरफ से बात कर रहे होंगे तो मुझे पता नहीं है, लेकिन कांग्रेस की ये भूमिका मुझे नहीं लगती है. बिहार के चुनाव को लेकर कुछ मनमुटाव था जिसको लेकर राज ठाकरे को एमवीए में लेने से मना कर दिया था. ये सबको पता है, क्योंकि ना बीजेपी चाहती थी ना कांग्रेस चाहती थी. दोनों राष्ट्रीय पार्टियां हैं और वो चाहती थी कि एमएनएस को अगर साथ में लेंगे तो बिहार में हमें नुकसान हो सकता है, इसलिए दोनों ने एमएनएस से बराबरी की दूरी बनाए रखी. अब रही बात एमएनएस की शिवसेना के साथ आने की, तो देशमुख जी यहाँ पर है, बहुत सीनियर है, हम उनको कई सालों से जानते हैं. जब मैं जर्नलिज्म में था तब से उनको जानता हूँ, और वो आपको कहेंगे अगर मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ तो मुझे रोक भी देंगे, उनका हक है वो, कि आपने देखा होगा कि राज ठाकरे जी और उद्धव ठाकरे जी का 2012 से चल रहा था कि वो एक दूसरे के साथ आए ना आए. जब उद्धव ठाकरे खुद बीमार थे तो राज ठाकरे उनकी गाड़ी चलाते हुए उनको मातोश्री तक पहुंचाते आए. देखिए, एक अंग्रेजी में एक कहावत है कि ब्लड इज थिकर देन वाटर।
Water.
तो राजनीति में भूमिकाएं कभी अलग हो सकती है, लेकिन घर हमेशा घर रहता है। अब मेरा सवाल ये है कि राजनीति में क्या दो भाई आने से किसी को बुरा लग रहा है क्या? क्या दो भाई कभी इकट्ठा ना हो? क्या हमेशा हिंदुस्तान में दो भाइयों के बीच में केवल महाभारत ही हो सकता है? कभी रामायण नहीं हो सकता है क्या? कि जो भरत थे उन्होंने अपने सर पर राम के पादुकाएं रख ली थी, उनके जूते रख लिए थे और उन्होंने राज्य चलाया। दो भाई अगर इकट्ठा होते हैं तो तकलीफ होने की बात क्यों है? अच्छा, दूसरी बात जो तहसीन पूनावाला ने कही, मैं बड़ा फटाफट आगे आता हूँ, क्योंकि यहाँ पर पैनल पर बैठे सभी लोग बहुत जानकार है, राजनीति बहुत करीब से जानते हैं। सुशीबेन तो खुद कांग्रेस में रह चुकी है, तो उनको भी पता है कि क्या चीजें महाराष्ट्र में हो रही है, और बहुत रिस्पेक्टिव महिला आयोग की, जहां तक मैं गलत ना हूं, महिला आयोग की अध्यक्ष भी रह चुकी है। तो हम डिबेट एक अच्छे लेवल पर आज करेंगे, और हमारे जो दर्शक है, जो खास आपको देखते हैं मैम, हम जानते हैं कि वो बहुत राजनीतिक दृष्टि से बहुत ज्यादा पॉलिटिकली मैच्योर्ड है। अब रही बात बजाओ लूंगी हटाओ पुंगी की, तो तहसीन पूनावाला जी बार बार उन सारी चीजों को गलत तरीके से प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं। क्यों गलत तरीके से? राज ठाकरे का बाइट आप यहाँ पर लगाइए, जिनको मराठी समझ में आती है। हम तीनों तो मतलब मैं और देशमुख साहब तो प्योर मराठी है, सुशीबेन बहुत अच्छी मराठी जानती है, मैं उनको जानता हूं, और तहसीन पूनावाला भी ठीक ठाक मराठी जान लेते हैं। उन्होंने ये कहा अपने भाषण में कि ये बाला साहब कह रहे थे उस वक्त, और वो
मैंने लिखा है, he invoked बाला साहेब स्लोगन। मेरा नीचे बैनर पे चल रहा है कि he invoked बाला साहेब।
करेक्ट। तो मुझे अच्छी बात ये लगी कि आप मराठी ना हो के, मराठी भाषी ना हो के भी आपको बड़ा पत्रकारिता का ज्ञान होने की वजह से आप बहुत बेहतर समझ पाए। उन्होंने बाला साहब को कोट अनकोट किया, ये चीज तहसीन पूनावाला को हो सकता है मराठी लैक ऑफ अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो, उसमें कोई गलत भी नहीं है। मैं उनकी तरह से अच्छी अंग्रेजी नहीं जानता हूँ, तो वो मेरी तरह से अच्छी मराठी ना जाने तो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता है उससे। तो ये चीज है, उन्होंने वो कोट किया। अच्छा, अन्नामलाई जो कहते हैं कि महाराष्ट्र, मुंबई महाराष्ट्र की सिटी नहीं है, तो बुरा नहीं लगेगा मैम, यहाँ छुएगा नहीं। अच्छा, अन्नामलाई उस तमिलनाडु से आते हैं ना, तो जहां पर 25 जनवरी 1965 को पहले आदमी ने भाषा पर प्रांत रचना के लिए खुद को जला लिया था, वहीं से तो आंदोलन शुरू हुआ ना। ये जो स्टेट रिकॉग्नाइजेशन है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ लैंग्विस्टिक स्टेट्स बनने की कोशिश, वो तो तमिलनाडु से है। हम अगर चेन्नई को मद्रास कहेंगे तो क्या उनको अच्छा लगेगा? कोई हमको ये कहेगा 107 लोगों की शहादत देके कि हम मुंबई को महाराष्ट्र की नहीं है, ये कहे तो क्या हम बर्दाश्त करेंगे? आपको बड़े आसान लफ्जों में मैं अपनी बात खत्म करता हूं मैम। टीएमसी का नतीजा जो भी हो, जब तक मुंबई में आखिरी मराठी मानुस बाकी है, महाराष्ट्र में आखिरी बाकी है, जिसके बाप में दम हो वो अपनी पूरी ताकत लगा ले। महाराष्ट्र से मुंबई को कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता। 107 जाने हमारी शहादत हुई है, 1007 देने को तैयार है।
आपने बहुत ही आर्टिकुलेट तरीके से अपनी आर्गुमेंट रखी है, एंड आई नो सुजीबेन विल वांट टू रिस्पॉन्ड। तहसीन हैज वन इंटरजेक्शन, देन द फ्लोर इज सुजीबेन। यस तहसीन।
3 इंटरजेक्शन। सबसे पहले किसी की सबसे पहले मैं बिल्कुल सर से सहमत हूं, किसी की बाप की हिम्मत नहीं है मुंबई को महाराष्ट्र से अलग करने का। हम दोनों इस पे बराबर से एक चीज कह रहे हैं। यहाँ पर वो बात हुई नहीं, बड़का मेरा बाइट प्ले कर दे, वो तो बात हुई नहीं। ना ही मैंने अन्नामलाई जी की बात की, तो बीजेपी के खिलाफ हूं, ना ही मैंने और कोई बात की। आप मुझे कोट कर दे, जो आप प्री प्रिपेयर करते आए वही बोल रहे। मैंने जो सवाल पूछा आप उसका जवाब ही नहीं दिया। फिर आपने क्या कहा, रामायण नहीं हो सकता। मैं भगवान राम की तुलना किसी से नहीं कर सकता, लेकिन मैं ये छोटी सी चीज कर सकता हूँ, लक्ष्मण जी और भरत जी की तुलना कर देता हूँ। लक्ष्मण जी और भरत जी एक दूसरे को ये नहीं कह रहे थे कि दशरथ जी के पीठ के पीछे छुरा मारा और अब जाकर आके राज पे मिले, जो उद्धव जी के वर्बैटम स्टेटमेंट्स है राज जी के बारे में। तो जब आप रामायण की तुलना करते, एक सेकंड बरका जी, एक सेकंड।
Now Suzyben is waiting for a long time.
Just 1 minute more. Just 1 minute more.
मैडम उनको
मेरा
बोलने दीजिए, मुझे
एक मिनट, no, I have to give to her, then you.
मेरा आपसे सिंपल सवाल यही है सर, मैं आपकी हर चीज मान रहा हूं। महाराष्ट्र एक डेमोक्रेटिक स्टेट है, एक लोकतांत्रिक राज्य है भारत के अंदर। ये कौन सा अधिकार है कि 2 भाई आए, 2 भाई चलाएंगे महाराष्ट्र, उनके बच्चे चलाएंगे, ये होगा? ये क्या परिवार का फैमिली ड्रामा चल रहा है?
Now Suzyben,
क्या है ये? डेमोक्रेसी है ये?
Okay, Jesh bhai, just you have to hold for 5
होने
minutes.
दीजिए। I can wait. I am an advocate.
Thank you.
I have a good patience. Yes, please. होने दीजिए।
Over to you, Suzyben. My सवाल is this. अन्नामलाई के बारे में जो बोला गया, पहले तो बीजेपी और एनडीए ने बहुत ऑब्जेक्शन रेज किया, लेकिन slowly it looked as if you did not actually want to get entangled in any sort of conversation जिससे ये लगे कि आप एक जो आइडेंटिटी है, लोकल आइडेंटिटी है, पैरोकियल आइडेंटिटी है, उससे थोड़ा सा डिविएट हो रहे हो। जयेश जी ने भी ये बात रेज की. How do you respond?
Yeah, very good evening to all and a very happy Makar Sankranti, Pongal and Lohri
Yes.
to all of you. Today
Yes.
we are celebrating festivals of India and let us all celebrate together. Now, the only thing that I agree with my learned friend now that he's also an advocate is that जब तक सूरज चांद रहेगा तब तक मुंबई महाराष्ट्र से कोई अलग नहीं कर सकता. That is a limited point. That is the only point, if at all I agree with him. And about the great Rama and Mahabharat sermon that he gave, I fail to understand what happened to the Ramayana sermon 20 years ago, when in the Hayati of when Balasaheb Thackeray, Hindu Hriday Samrat Balasaheb Thackeray was himself alive. Why did they part? What then happened to the Marathi Manus? Don't you think there was welfare required to be done for Marathi Manus 20 years ago also? But as Barkha rightly said, it is the existential crisis, the relevance crisis that the Thackeray Parivar is facing. We have no problem if two brothers come together. After all, we are in a democracy and they have come together. Great. But is it for the Marathi Manus? Is it for the Bal Thackeray? The legacy of Balasaheb Thackeray? It is an absolute zero. The reason that they came together, and I will tell you this. If you see, what have they done over the years for Marathi Manus? Whether in the BMC, there were 25 years they were ruling. I'll start with the Marathi Manus first, the son of the soil, the Bhumiputra. You see all the contractors, right? This was a contract Raj when 25 years Sahib ruled the BMC. Most of the contractors, with an exception of none, were all Marwadi and Gujaratis. No problem. You give it to them, I have no problem. But don't be a hypocrite and then talk about only Marathi Manus and how to promote them. Zero, zilch. If you remember Miti cleaning cases, who was the contract given to, which is in controversy and crores of rupees were spent and misappropriated, is Dino More. Didn't they think about Dinesh More? Was there not a Marathi contractor? So let us not fool ourselves. Secondly, during their tenure, you see so many son of the soil. You see last 10, 15 years ago, the population in in Mumbai was close to 50% of Marathi Manus. Most of them have been thrown away to Kalyan, Thana, Virar, Mira, Bhayandar, Ulasnagar. Why? Because not the single Bhumiputra, not a single son of the soil was giving housing here. Today, after the Mahayuti government, in 2.5 years, where there was no corporation, there was no mayor, there was no elected BMC, the Mahayuti government started the BDD Chawl. We ensured that the policemen, the local people, the Marathi Manus gets home, a respectable home at Worli, Abhyuday Nagar. Abhyuday Nagar it is in Sivri, where they were without house, without rent for 26 years. They were in transit camp. Nothing happened. We ensured that they get their rightful homes. Similarly, Ramabai Ambedkar Nagar. We intervened. And how
So you are saying what have they done for the Marathi Manus?
One second. We intervened and we ensured that through our government corporations like MIDC, MMRDA, BMC, we all came together, Mahada, we all came together and built houses. We have not given to builder. And I agree with Tehseen on one thing. Who was the person who gave Dharavi contract to Adani? It was Mr. Uddhav Thackeray. Earlier, the tender was given to someone else. It was then transferred to Shri Uddhav Thackeray, to Adani by Shri Uddhav Thackeray for the reasons best known to them. But I will tell you this. It is a falsehood. It is a complete misnomer that Adani has been given land. No land of any a single square feet has been given to Adani. It rests with the government. There is a joint venture. There is an SPV where the government is participating. And they are holding the land.
Okay.
Last 1 second. Now the aspirational Marathi Manus, they need development. They need growth. They need infrastructure. They need safety. They need open spaces. They need transport mobility. They need connectivity across MMR region that we delivered. And therefore, if you see any metro, it is not even 6 months that we started east-west connection and south-south connection. people, and that is the people who will vote for Marathi. And please, Eknath Raoji Shinde is a Maratha, is a Marathi Manus. Devendra Fadnavis is Maharashtrian, is a Marathi, and is a Marathi Manus. And people of Maharashtra have made decision.
Okay.
Time
Jayesh
again.
bhai, Jayesh bhai and Tehseen. Okay, Susie Ben, sorry, I'm going to now.
They've made
Okay,
the choice. Who stands for
Yashwant.
Marathi people?
First, Yashwant, before the politicians take over again. Yashwant, one more question from the Sea Voter survey was whether voters want that the way you phrased the question, I want the slide to come up. Should only a Marathi person be the mayor of BMC? Now, since we're talking so much about outsider versus insider, this is a very interesting survey because actually an overwhelming majority of across the political spectrum is saying yes to this. 66.5% of NDA voters, 57.9% of opposition voters, and 60.8% of others. Please talk a little bit about this finding and how this ties in with the whole Marathi Manus debate that Tehseen thinks MNS and Uddhav Thackeray have gone overboard on.
Well, first things first. Mumbai is a Marathi city. It is in Maharashtra. It's the capital of Maharashtra. So the emotion that that identity politics question is pretty much there. That emotion is there. Yes, the Mumbai mayor should be a Marathi Manus. However, when we talk about the change demographics, I would also like if the graphics is ready about the Marathi and non-Marathi speakers, you can put that across, and then you will see a different kind of picture.
Here, it's there.
20% of Marathi speakers say yes, but 51% of the non-Marathi or Hindi speakers say there should be a blanket, situation where no non-Marathi can ever become a mayor of Mumbai. So obviously, it's not just about the accommodative nature of Mumbai. I mean, it both things go hand in hand. Actually, I see identity politics and assertion of identity in a city where demography is changing at a rapid pace. And the more the demography will change, Barkha, it's very easy to understand the human psychology. People will stick to their identity more in order to safeguard it. So I don't see any wrong in that. Mumbai is not different from any other city in India where local people would like to see a Bhumiputra to be a.
But Yashwant, in so many ways, this debate is global. In cities like New York and London also they're asking कि कोई बाहर वाला किस rank तक बन सकता है. In America, for example, unless you're a naturalized citizen, you can't become president, but you can become mayor of New York. Just giving you different examples. Now, one other thing I want you to look at before we open it up for Tehseen, Jayesh and Susie Ben again is the Mahayuti and the advantage that may continue into this poll from 2024. So if we can have that slide up, will Mahayuti's post-2024 performance help in the 2026 civic polls? Now, definitely, yes, of course, this is split along party lines. Basically, it seems the way people voted in 2024 continues to be the way they look at this question, or is it different?
Well, it's pretty much on the same line. It is partisan, but at the same time, I genuinely believe that equations have kind of changed. 2024 Lok Sabha election, as Tehseen would probably agree with me, that the numbers changed because of Congress and Shiv Sena UBT coming together, and that's why 4 out of 6 even Mumbai Lok Sabha seats went that way. They are no more the same. They were no more together. And yes, I understand the point that the Muslims, in order to defeat the BJP, will largely vote for Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena. I understand that point. But that is not the only vote bank in Mumbai. I mean, I understand that Muslim, Marathi Manus, all this triple M factor. I get all that. But that is founded on a very particular idea that BJP is a non-Marathi party. All right. Now, that is such a flawed idea because in 2015 assembly election, let's talk about the non-Mumbai Marathi Maharashtra. BJP was the biggest party in terms of votes and seats. Since 2015 assembly election, for 11 years in Maharashtra, let's write down in bold letters, BJP as on today is the biggest Marathi party in terms of votes and seats. So this entire idea that BJP is a non-Marathi party is so flawed. And this idea that the contest of Marathi voters is just bipolar between the two factions of Shiv Sena is so flawed that we are not even discussing the importance of somebody being Devendra Fadnavis. You know, so there are three, I would say.
I think that's a great point. Yeah, I think that's a great point. Sorry, did you have a sentence there before I come to Tehseen? Sorry, yes,
And
sir.
discarding of Congress from that thing, because there is one question, I don't know if you are going to discuss that about the principal parties. Then
Yes, I think we have that slide. Yeah. Which party is more principled? There it is on the
Yes.
screen.
So you can see the party among the opposition voters, it is the Congress which they say that it is the principal party. So no matter what people say, Congress being vanished out, but somehow the concept of Congress as the principal opposition remains there. Unfortunately, Congress itself has forgotten the concept of being the Congress. So that is Congress problem. It's not BJP's or other parties' problem. You know.
Yeah.
But
So let's, yeah.
remains there.
So I think two really important points there. One, of course, about the Congress is a squandering opportunity, but also this idea of the BJP as a Marathi party. Before we come to Jayesh Ji and Susie Ben, Tehseen, let's bring you right in. What are the stakes of this election? I mean, what is the consequence for it on Maharashtra politics? And where is the NCP in all this? We haven't even spoken about that.
Oh, that's my favorite subject. I come from Pune. NCP is from Pune. Yes. NCP will go anywhere and everywhere. Barka, I've said this on your podcast, just play those bites. And I told you the uncle and the nephew will come back together. It's happened. I also told you on your podcast, as a Congress voter, forget as somebody who wants to contest on Congress at some point, as a Congress voter. And Yashwant, please jump in as a cephalogist. Where does the Congress win 2029? I really want the Congress to win 2029. How does it win? How many seats, Yashwant, will Congress get in Uttar Pradesh without SP? How many will get in Bihar without RJD? How much will it get in West Bengal? How much will it get in Tamil Nadu? And how much will it get in Maharashtra? Sort of 249 big seats in the big states. How much will the Congress get if the Congress does not do well in Maharashtra? The Congress was born in my city of Pune, then Pune. Was born in my city of Bombay, then now Mumbai. It was born here. And to see the Congress not understand that even today the Marathi Manus thinks of Congress as a natural party of Maharashtra. This is not to say the Shiv Sena is not. Obviously, they're a Maharashtrian party. But I don't know why the Congress did not put in that aggression. They should have been fighting on every street corner with the BJP and the Shiv Sena. It shouldn't have been left to people like me. Now let's come to what Jayesh Ji said. They want to win on the Mamu vote, Marathi and Muslim. But they are making a mamu out of the people. Mamu in Marathi sometimes is to make a fool. Ye mamu bana rahe logon ko. Explain to me. Marathi Manus, where does the pride of the Marathi Manus come? The pride of the Marathi Manus comes in getting proper treatment in the BMC hospitals. When respected Uddhavji and Rajji are unwell, they go to private hospitals. Why don't they go to BMC hospitals? Their kids go to private schools. See the state of the BMC schools. This is a corporation. This family is governed for 25 years. Its annual budget is 70,000 crore plus per year. That is why the two cousins today are singing Hum Saath Saath Hai. Kal keh rahe the hum aapke hai kaun. This is why. This is a family that today is abusing Gujaratis. I have no problem. You abuse who you want, you do what you want. But on a Gujarati billionaire's wedding, they were dancing on ye ladki, hi Allah, hi Allah. तब आपको गुजराती, आपने कितने गरीब मराठी मानुस के शादी में नाचा है? बताइए, बताइए आप. This is no pride of Marathi. There is no pride of Marathi. Now Muslims, just 30 seconds more. Muslims. बाबरी मस्जिद को हमने 10 मिनट में घिराया. Not Bala Sahib Thackeray, Sanjay Raut ji in today. There was a Muslim man fasting in New Delhi during Ramzan. He was serving food. उसके मुंह में खाना ठूसा गया रोजा के वक्त. And it was justified. Not by the earlier Shiv Sena, by the present Shiv Sena. Let me tell you, Raj Thackeray ji, आए दिन, then आप तो इधर हो, आए दिन मस्जिद का ये स्पीकर निकालो, वो स्पीकर. Are you okay with that? मुसलमानों को कोविड के समय इलाज नहीं मिलना चाहिए, directly उनको गोली मारते मारो. This was Raj Thackeray's statement when Muslims were stuck during COVID in a mosque. Do you know this? Tell them. You today want Muslim votes. Now they saying vote chori, na? Muslims should not have the right to vote. Sanjay Raut ji, under the present Shiv Sena. Please tell me, you want Muslim votes? Apologize for this. You want Marathi Manus votes? Tell me how many Marathi Manus you've given a job to. In Kohinoor Mills, which Marathi Manus has a house? Which Marathi Manus has a business? Tell me.
Okay, very passionately asked questions there, Jayesh Bhai. Floor is yours.
मेरी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि मुझे जरा इन दोनों से दुगना समय दीजिए, क्योंकि मुझे दोनों को जवाब देना है जी।
जल्दी,
हाँ,
जितना
दोनों
जल्दी आप
जी,
बोलिए, please.
मैं
हाँ।
कोशिश तो वही कर रहा हूँ बस। सबसे पहले तो तहसीन पूनावाला जी को एक सुधार कर लेता हूँ। एनसीपी की स्थापना पुणे में नहीं हुई, मुंबई में हुई है। शिवाजी पार्क पर सभा हुई थी। देशमुख साहब कंफर्म करेंगे, मैं झूठ बोल रहा हूँ ऐसा लगे तो, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। मुझे हाँ, विटनेस की आदत हो गई ना, मैं हमेशा विटनेस दे देता हूँ, एविडेंस दे देता हूँ। दूसरी चीज जी, दूसरी चीज, बीएमसी हॉस्पिटल की बात कही मैडम, ठीक है, मुंबई में इन्होंने जो कहा कि गरीबों को अच्छा इलाज नहीं मिल पा रहा है। माय सम क्वेश्चंस ऑन इट। हिंदुस्तान का इकलौता महानगर पालिका ये है जहां हर साल 1,44,00,000 मरीज आते हैं बीएमसी के खुद के अस्पतालों में, फिर वो राजाबाड़ी हो या फिर केईएम हो। दूसरी कौन सी महानगर पालिका है जिनके पास इतने मरीज हर साल आते हैं, महाराष्ट्र के कोने कोने से, या फिर यूपी में हो, मध्य प्रदेश में हो या गुजरात में हो, जहां पर उस स्टेट के वहां पर जाते हो। मैम, मुंबई इकलौती बीएमसी, इकलौती ऐसी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है। सुन लीजिए सुशीबेन प्लीज, आप बड़े हो मुझसे, प्लीज आराम से जी। हाँ, इकलौती बीएमसी ऐसी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है जिनके खुद के अपने 4 मेडिकल हॉस्पिटल्स चल रहे हैं। दूसरी कौन सी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है हिंदुस्तान की, बताइए, आप बता दीजिए नाम जिनको भी पता होगा तो। दूसरी चीज, इकलौती म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है जिसका खुद का डेंटल कॉलेज है, इकलौती म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है। सुशीबेन गर्दन भले ही ना करके हिलाए वो, लेकिन नाम जरूर बताएगी उस
सुजीबेन को अनम्यूट करें 2 मिनट के लिए प्लीज। सुजीबेन की आवाज नहीं आ रही। सुजीबेन, brief introduction.
Surprised that they are talking about, if at all, have been ably supported by the government of Maharashtra, by the Mahayuti government. Why are they running away from it? Do you mean to say that the entire colleges that you are running today is only run by the BMC? Not at all. The government of Maharashtra, whether it be for upgradation, rehabilitation, for patients, everything is done by the government of Maharashtra. तो आप कैसे क्रेडिट ले सकते हो? और AIM में जो दिल्ली में है हॉस्पिटल, कितने मरीज आते हैं जरा पूछिए। So let us not fool ourselves, and also the people of Maharashtra, वो जनता है, सब जानती है। I'm relying on the wisdom of the Marathi Manus.
Okay, let him complete his point,
So
and then I'll give everybody closing remarks.
Please don't spread half-truths.
Jayashree,
glorify yourself.
नहीं, क्या है, मुझे कोर्ट का डेकोरम पता है, एक बात कर रहा हूं तो दूसरा बात नहीं करना चाहिए। अच्छे दर्शक है, अच्छे लोग हैं, तो अच्छे लोगों में अच्छी तरह बात करेंगे, ठीक है। क्या है ना, सुशीबेन जी की भी बातें ना थोड़ी दिक्कत वाली ये है कि पता नहीं करके आते। एम्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चलाती है, उनको पता कर लेना चाहिए। मैं बार बार पूछ रहा हूँ, अच्छा आप तो दिल्ली में हो बरखा मैडम इतने सालों से, आप बताइए, उनको बता देना बाद में कि एम्स कौन चलाता है। एम्स सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट चलाती है। अच्छा, मैंने ये कभी नहीं कहा कि स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के हॉस्पिटल्स नहीं है। गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज औरंगाबाद में है, नांदेड़ में है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के कॉलेजेस है। मैं ये कह रहा हूँ, दिक्कत इनकी यही है, ये उछल जाते हैं तुरंत बात करने के लिए। मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि ऐसी कौन सी म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन है जो 4 गवर्नमेंट हॉस्पिटल चलाती है? म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन ऐसी कौन सी है जिस म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में हर साल 1,44,00,000 लोग इलाज पाते हैं?
अच्छा, मुझे ये बताइए,
मैं जो रखने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, कि ये हो सकता है कि कुछ लोगों को उनके हिसाब से अच्छी सुविधा ना मिली हो। इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि म्युनिसिपैलिटी अपनी तरफ से जो उनकी बेसिक ड्यूटी है, ये मैं ड्यूटी कह रहा हूँ, ये ड्यूटी हमारी, हम उपकार नहीं कर रहे हैं मुंबई करो पर, ये हमारी ड्यूटी है एज अ रूलिंग पार्टी कि हमने ये करना चाहिए, लेकिन ये हम कर रहे हैं। आप मुझे बताइए मैम, इंदौर की जो घटना हुई 25 साल से, तो वहां पर भी भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शासन है। वहां पर तो आपके पीने के पानी के पाइपलाइन के ऊपर सीवेज रखा गया, 10 लोग मर गए। मैम, आप पूरे हिंदुस्तान घूमती हो, आप बताइए, जिस तरीके से 25 साल से अहमदाबाद में कर्णावती बोलूं ना मैडम? हाँ, कर्णावती ही बोलेंगे। तो ये कर्णावती शहर क्या, अहमदाबाद जिसको ये लोग कहते हैं, उस इसकी हिम्मत नहीं है कर्णावती करने की, ठीक है। तो ये जो अहमदाबाद सिटी है, यहाँ पर भी 25 सालों से भारतीय जनता पार्टी का शासन है। मुझे ये बताइए, कोरोना काल में जिस तरीके से वहां पर चिताएं जली, वहां पर क्या मुंबई में आपने देखा? एक आखिरी बात, बहुत पर्सनल ले लिया मैडम ने, तो वो उतना जवाब दे देता हूं मैं। पर्सनल नहीं था एक्चुअली, उन्होंने पॉलिटिकल बात कही थी। उन्होंने कहा कि ये जो कहते हैं वो क्या 20 साल से इनको आपस में इकट्ठा होने के लिए क्या हो गया, ये जो कहते थे वो अब नहीं किया। सुशीबेन जी, वो आपको पता नहीं होगा, तब आप कांग्रेस में थी, तब डोंबिवली में एक सभा हुई थी, जिस सभा में, अरे बात सुन लीजिए मैडम, डोंट बी इम्पेशेंट, मैं कितना शांत बैठा हूँ।
अच्छा, आप
थोड़ा सा
उनको
ये चीज
बोलने
आप
दीजिए।
मुझसे
चलिए,
पूछिए।
फिनिश
जी।
योर पॉइंट।
हाँ, मुझे फिनिश कर दीजिए, आप बोलिए, मैं नहीं बोलूंगा आपके बीच में, मेरी आदत नहीं है वो गंदी, आप बोल
अच्छा।
लीजिएगा बाद में, मैं कभी नहीं बोलूंगा बीच में किसी के। जी, ये तब मेरे ख्याल से कांग्रेस में होंगे, उनको पता नहीं होगा। डोंबिवली में सभा हुई थी, जहां मैं अभी बैठा हूं, वहां से 40 किलोमीटर दूर में, तो वहां पर उद्धव जी स्टेज पर थे। देशमुख सर हंसेंगे मैं कहूंगा तो, और बगल में एकनाथ शिंदे जी खड़े थे और वो कह रहे थे मराठी में, साहेब ज्यांनी आमच्या जिन कार्यकर्ताओं ने हम पर हमला किया, मैं उनके मांडी को मांडी लगा के नहीं बैठ सकता। ये मतलब आई विल नॉट सीट लैप टू लैप, मैं उनके साथ नहीं बैठ सकता। ये हमारे मराठी में एक कहावत है, मांडीला मांडी लाऊन बसणे। तो आप तो उन्हीं के साथ बैठे हो अभी, तो आप किसने क्या कहा 20 साल पहले, 10 साल पहले, इसका थोड़ा सा आप वो बगल में रखेंगे।
Okay.
आज जरूरत ये है
Okay,
कि आज
जय जी,
मुंबई
now I
में
have to
अदानी को
interrupt
जिन्होंने
you.
लाया, एक चैलेंज, आखिरी 15 सेकंड्स। अदानी की एकदम क्लियर सुन लीजिए, अदानी की एक भी सैंक्शन, मुंबई की, धारावी की, जहां पर उद्धव ठाकरे जी ने और आदित्य ठाकरे ने मोर्चा निकाला अदानी के खिलाफ, वहां पर एक भी परमिशन अगर उद्धव ठाकरे ने दी होगी मैम, तो आज मैं यहां से कहता हूं, मैं राजनीति छोड़ दूंगा, मेरा पेट राजनीति से नहीं चलता, रोज कोर्ट में जाके मेहनत करता हूं, मेरा एक्सेप्ट करे चैलेंज, कल फिर से डिबेट रखिए, मैडम कागज दिखाएंगी या फिर मैडम को तैयार है क्या वो राजनीति छोड़ने के लिए? चलिए,
Okay, that's a
बिल्कुल मैं छोड़ दूंगा, कल से नहीं जाऊंगा कहीं।
आपने
यस,
बड़ी
बिग
चुनौती
डेयर,
है, बड़ी
सीने में
चुनौती
दम
है,
रखते
सूजी
हैं तो
बहन।
बात करते हैं मैम, झूठे आरोप नहीं करेंगे।
अच्छा, अब now let's bring Suzy Ben in and then quick closing comments to Tehseen and Yashwant. Suzy Ben ji, can we unmute Suzy Ben, please? हाँ जी.
Rupees 100 crore were given by the state government to the Nayar Hospital and the medical Nayar Hospital and the medical college. Right now, you can check. There is a sanctioned fund to that effect.
Okay.
As far as the Adani with the Dharavi is concerned, the tender was cancelled. I will send you all the details. ये बरखा जी ने म्यूट करके रखा था, नहीं तो आधी और हाफ ट्रूथ, so I would have scrapped them.
नहीं, I'm giving you full opportunity now to say what you want.
Now I will. But when he was spreading lies and glorifying himself as to how good he is, and he is the only person who's working, let me tell you, we are all coming from industrial family. I'm a proud woman entrepreneur running a pharma company. So आपकी बड़ास ना फेंकिए, right? Stop glorifying yourself. यहाँ सब पैशन और कमिटमेंट के लिए पॉलिटिक्स में आते हैं, इसलिए सरवाइव करते हो, irrespective which party and number of years you belong to. Number one, because our DNA is to make change in the people, make change for the people, by the people, govern for the people. सर्वधर्म समभाव और विकास, वही हमारा मुद्दा है. Number one. Number two, as far as Dharavi is concerned, I will most certainly, with the dates, when the earlier tender, some Sky Vision or someone was there, was scrapped, and it was then given to Uddhav Thackeray. He will nicely forget, talk about Marathi Manus, nicely forget and tell me how many contractors that the crores of rupees that he is talking about has been given to a Marathi Manus. How many Marwadi Gujarati, वो भी बताए, डम्फास ना करे, सही बात में जो सही है वो बताएं और आगे बढ़े. मराठी मानुस में, हिंदू में मराठी मेयर हो, हमें कोई प्रॉब्लम, मी व्यवस्थित मराठी बोलते. आय एम ऑल्सो भूमिपुत्र, कारण माझं जन्मस्थान, माझं कर्मस्थान, माझी अन्नपूर्णा मुंबई नगरी आहे आणि मला त्याचा अभिमान आहे. That does not mean that everyone can't coexist. पण आपकी जो बोलते हैं ना दुपट्टी भूमिका ऐसी है कि वोट चाहिए तो वाह वाह, हिंदू को भी मुस्लिम को भी साथ मिले, और ये भूला ना जाए, आप लोकसभा में सिर्फ और सिर्फ माइनॉरिटी वोट्स, खास करके मुस्लिम वोट्स की वजह से जीते हैं. यू आर ऑल एनालिस्ट. Yashwant bhai is here. He will support me when I say that all the seats have been won because Muslim voted for you. The Muslim voted for you. और आज डर के, इसीलिए आप डर रहे हैं कि अभी मुस्लिम मेरे से हट गया है, तो क्या स्टेटमेंट दिया मिस्टर राउत ने? द मोस्ट डिविजिव स्टेटमेंट. तो साथ में रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे. अरे भैया, आपकी ऐसी हालत हुई कि डर गए हैं, मुंबई कर से डर गए हैं आप. आज राउत साहब ने स्टेटमेंट दिया मराठी मानुस को आह्वान करके कि भाई साथ रहेंगे तो सेफ रहेंगे. So now
Okay.
let us not run up your mind.
Okay.
Your sermons, your Ramayana, your Mahabharat happened between your two cousins is well known 20 years
Okay.
ago. Now you
Suzy
came
Ben
back
and
for-
Jayesh bhai, I have to now request
रेखा
both
जी
of you.
आपने
So
आपने
let
एक
us
बार
not- let
तहसीन
us
जी को
not-
आपने एक बार
and I'm
इंटरव्यू
not
करने
going to
दिया था,
answer
मुझे
to
भी
you.
करने
I'll ask
दीजिए.
to Bharga and I will send all the documents to Bharga.
Okay.
Kindly hand it over
Okay.
to the gentleman.
Okay. I'm looking forward to receiving these documents. I'm
Absolutely.
allowing Jayesh ji 10 seconds.
एक
10
और-
seconds
yes,
to you,
10
Jayesh bhai.
seconds,
बोलिए.
10
10
seconds.
seconds.
Yes. मैडम जो कह रही थी कि उन्हें बहुत अच्छी मराठी आती है, तो वो दुपट्टी नहीं होता है, दुटप्पी होता है.
हो
Let me
सकता
clear.
है.
No problem, no problem, no problem.
I'm making pretend.
No problem at all. No
Without being
problem at all.
beaten up by goons
No
like you.
problem at all, ma'am. I'm just
genuine
telling
attempt.
you.
आप
मैडम
थप्पड़
मुझे
लगाते
कोई
हैं.
ऑब्जेक्शन
आप
नहीं है.
अच्छा,
मारते हैं,
मुझे कोई
थप्पड़
ऑब्जेक्शन
लगाते
नहीं
हैं.
है. मैं
वो
बस
आप
इतना
करते
कहना
हैं.
चाहता हूँ. मैं
करते
जो
होंगे
जो
आपके
अरे मैडम
गुंडा
रुकिए ना मैम.
गुंडागर्दी
मैडम
करते हैं.
रुकिए ना मैम.
नहीं,
मैडम
मैं
हाथ
नहीं
जोड़ के
रुकूंगी.
विनती है, सुन
मैं नहीं
लीजिए.
रुकूंगी.
सुन
अच्छा,
लीजिए.
अच्छा. Okay.
सुन
Okay.
लीजिए मैम.
मैं
मैं
नहीं
छोटा हूँ
रुकूंगी.
आपसे.
Yeah,
आपसे
yeah,
छोटा
yeah.
हूँ मैम.
Don't
और
fight,
किसी
don't
इंडस्ट्रियल
fight.
परिवार से
I
नहीं
think you
हूँ.
both. I
मैडम
think you
छोटा
both
आदमी हूँ,
mean.
किसी
मैं
इंडस्ट्रियल
आपको-
परिवार से
नहीं,
नहीं
वो
हूँ.
सब
मैं
नाटक
प्लीज सुनिए मेरी बात. छोटा आदमी हूँ
कहना
मैम.
चाहती हूँ.
मैडम
नाटक
एकदम
करना
छोटा आदमी
बंद
हूँ.
कर
सुन
दी.
लीजिए मेरी
Suzy
बात.
Ben,
मेरी बात
Suzy
सुन
Ben and
लीजिए.
Jayesh bhai,
बस
please
10
come on
सेकंड,
now.
10 सेकंड,
Come
10
on now,
सेकंड,
come on now.
10
I
सेकंड,
don't
10 सेकंड, 10 सेकंड, 10
10
सेकंड.
सेकंड बोलो.
हमारे यहाँ पर कोर्ट में
बड़ी-बड़ी
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन
बातें
स्टेटमेंट
करते हैं.
कहा जाता है कि जो दो भिन्न स्टेटमेंट्स आते हैं एक दूसरे के खिलाफ, उन्हें कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन ऑफ स्टेटमेंट कहा जाता है. देखिए सुशी
हाँ.
बेन ने अभी कितनी बढ़िया बात कही कि हम वो है जो सबका साथ सबका विकास, और बाद
हाँ.
में कहते हुए इस तरीके से कहती है आप तो मुस्लिम वोटों से जीती है, तो क्या मुस्लिमों ने वोट नहीं करने चाहिए क्या? आप क्यों
Okay,
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन
10
ऑफ स्टेटमेंट
seconds
कर रहे हो?
are up, 10
एक
seconds are
तरफ
up,
आपको
10
मुस्लिम की
seconds are up.
एलर्जी भी है और
Jai
दूसरी
Ji.
तरफ आप सबका साथ भी
एलर्जी
कह रही हो.
एलर्जी आपके हैं.
Can I-
आपको एलर्जी आपकी दिख रही थी
Okay,
एलर्जी.
now you're
आपको
महिला
एलर्जी
now
दिख
you're
रही
saying.
थी.
महिला
Okay, बस
क्या
बस
बात
बस
कर
हम
रहे हैं
जब
मैम?
सील लागू करते हैं सबको
मैडम,
लागू करते हैं.
मैडम,
आप जैसे
नहीं
नहीं.
मैडम आप झूठ
आप
बोल
जैसे
रहे हो.
नहीं.
आप
Time out,
कॉन्ट्रडिक्टरी
time out.
स्टेटमेंट कर रहे हो
Time
अपने आप में. आप
Okay,
आराम से आप
Jayesh and
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन
Jay,
मत
time
कीजिए.
out, time out.
कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन कोई नहीं कर रहा है.
Now enough, please. Now, Tehseen, and then Yashwant closes for us. Tehseen.
Jayesh Bhai is one of the best opponents I meet, and if I'm ever in legal trouble in Maharashtra, Jayesh Bhai, I really hope you will defend me in court. He's really fantastic. No, he is. He really is, and he's correct on his points. There are 4 medical colleges run by the BMC. He's absolutely right. He couldn't have been more spot on. These medical colleges are the following: Topiwala National Medical College, affiliated with Bhai Yamunabai Lakshman Narayan Charitable Trust, established in 1921. नेहरू की गलती है भाई, ये थोड़ी ना. अच्छा, उसके बाद Seth Gorandas Surendra Das Medical College, affiliated with King Edward Memorial College, 1926, taken away by the Bombay 1946. Lokmanya Tilak Municipal Medical College, affiliated with Lokmanya Tilak Municipal General Hospital, 1964. फिर कांग्रेस ने गलती किया, नेहरू जी की बेटी ने गलती किया, उसको अफिलिएट कर दिया बॉम्बे में. और उसके बाद देयर इज BN Cooper General Hospital, वो भी नेहरू की गलती थी. एंड दैट इन 2015 a medical college was named Bala Saheb Thackeray Medical College. There's also a dental college that is run the Nair Dental Medical College, which was established in 1933. नेहरू की गलती है, हमको नेहरू को दोष देना चाहिए. करेक्ट. ये सब राज जी ने, अमित जी ने किया, अमित राज जी के बेटे ने किया, उनको ही क्रेडिट देते हैं. ये थोड़ी ना, ये तो राज जी ने किया. Now the fact that I'm trying to say, and the point is that they have done no work. Out of 4 colleges, they have not increased nothing with a 70,000 crore budget, and they are coming here and taking claim for what Congress did. The Congress should fight this election. This is a battle between BJP and Congress, and if you have to save Mumbai and you want Mumbai to progress and be a Maharashtrian city with an international outlook, then you require a national party, in my opinion, Congress.
Okay, Yashwant, the
Madam,
closing.
sir,
नहीं, please, sir.
मैं कुछ नहीं बोलूंगा, मैं कोई कंट्रोवर्सी नहीं करूंगा. मैं थैंक यू बोलूंगा कि चलिए तहसीन जी ने आज नेहरू जी की जो अच्छी बातें गिनवाई, आई अप्रिशिएट इट. मैं नेहरू जी का बहुत बड़ा फॉलोअर हूँ सर. थैंक यू. लेकिन वो BMC चला रही है, अब ये भी बात मान लीजिए.
Oh God. Okay. Yashwant.
coming
Suzy
मैं
Ben.
फॉलोअर हूँ.
Suzy
That's
Ben,
why I want him to save me.
Just
Please
one
unmute
sentence.
Suzy Ben. Yes.
128.65 crore was given to Nair Hospital by the
अरे वो
government.
27,000 करोड़ की FD क्यों तोड़ दी, वो बता दो. आप वो मत बताइए. आप मैडम, आप अलग पार्टी.
मेरे भाई
को बोलने दे मैम.
हमें आनंद है इसका.
करोड़ की FD
हमें
तोड़
आनंद
दी.
है उसका.
बोलने तो दे,
साथ
बोलने।
में मिलके काम करे, लेकिन आपके पास विजन नहीं है. सिर्फ आपको टोमड़े मारने
अब
हैं।
ये
92
That's all.
92 लाख
Okay,
करोड़ की एफडीआई बनाने वालों को वीजा
Yashwant,
नहीं है।
Suzy Ben
92
and
करोड़ वाली
Jayashree.
92
Yashwant,
लाख
Suzy
करोड़
Ben.
वाली एफडीआई बनाने वालों को वीजा
Yashwant,
नहीं है।
Oh my God.
27,000
Okay,
करोड़
Yashwant,
की
closing
एफडीआई
word.
कोटे
आप एक्सेप्ट
The show started with a quote from Mahabharata. So from Mahabharata, let me quote another one. Ashwathama hato hatha narova kunjarova. That is where the majority of the things that are said are going into right now. There are truths and then there are truths, but not the full truth in any point of direction. But importance of Mumbai, Barkha, why it is important?
Yeah.
You know, I was looking at the numbers. Mumbai has more voters than 13 states in India. 13. It has a bigger budget than 17 states in India, I am told. All right. That's why it is important. And if Mumbai was, please do not take this statement as if I am trying to carve out Mumbai. I'm just saying a hypothetical situation. If Mumbai was a state, then 25 years of being in power would have been only at par with BJP being in power in Gujarat at this point of time. You know, that would have been at par with Jyoti Babu's power in West Bengal, at par with Naveen Babu's stint in Odisha. So that's a long time. So actually, beyond every debate, I think the problem or the issue that Shiv Sena, UBT and Raj Thakre ji would be facing, also have to face, is something called the routine anti-incumbency in place, which is a pretty much democratic setup, which is a normal thing to have. You know, so that is something which they need to watch out for. Yes, they coming together has rekindled the emotion of the Marathi Manus of the previous generation for sure. But this is a new Mumbai as well. And by clinging to their core base, somehow I fear they are managing to alienate the rest of the Mumbai as well. That is something which they need to watch out for. Tahseen is absolutely correct. This entire, I believe, the Jod Tod and everything, which, by the way, people of Maharashtra and Mumbai, none of them, either of them, do not really appreciate the way people have gone, and they still feel that the principal party, that Congress still name comes up. But I think going with the Congress and diluting the Hindutva agenda and now going for the minority votes, that has got its own complications. Having said that, Barkha, one thing which I really want to put up a question to all my left liberal friends right now in the entire media circle and everything, because I remember that Uddhav Balasaheb Thakre's victory in Mumbai or going with the Congress was celebrated as the victory of secularism while going with the Congress. You know, now that the Congress is not as a part of that alliance, Tahseen bhai, I really don't know. If suppose BJP wins, obviously from a literal way, I mean the way that left liberal thought goes, that it is a defeat of secularism. But I fail to understand how a Raj Thakre Uddhav Thakre combination victory is a victory for secularism. So whichever party wins, whichever combinations wins Mumbai, I don't know what is there for the left liberal.
I think that's an excellent question about the contradictions of politics. Tehseen, I'm closing. 10 seconds, please. 10 seconds. Yes.
No, you're right. You're right, Yashwant Bhai. And this is something I've been lamenting on Twitter. And I saw her brilliant podcast with Swati. And that's the problem. In our anger to be anti-BJP, we accept anything. And we don't realize we are harming ourselves. A lot of people are exposing me also saying, oh, you want BJP to win. No, I want Congress to win. To make BJP lose is not my aim. My aim is I should win. My aim is not to defeat BJP. I don't think people get that. And they're celebrating this. And Mark, save this. Raj Thakre ji, if he gets an opportunity, he will go back there. He will go back.
Well,
lighter note. On a very lighter note. मुझे तहसीन जी के पास देख के हमेशा उन पुराने जमानों के माँ बाप की याद आती है जिनको लगता है अपने बच्चों को पीट कर सीधा किया जा सकता है। वो मानते भी है वो कांग्रेस के और कांग्रेस को ही पीट रहे हैं बार बार।
मैं तो ओल्ड फैशन हूँ और मैं तो बिल्कुल टॉक्सिक पेरेंट।
सूजी बेन भी कुछ बोलना चाह रही है। सूजी बेन को अनम्यूट करिए भाई।
One second. You see, this is the alliance of convenience. The two brothers coming together. See the election. See, Mahayuti will form the government, and you see where Mr. Raj Thackeray goes. Swip.
Well,
And how many times you asked in the last 5 or 6
आपको
years?
चाहिए क्या उनका साथ? आपको
Yes.
चाहिए उनका साथ?
Okay,
आपको चाहिए
this
उनका
is-
साथ? अरे ऑफर दीजिए कभी, क्या करते हैं? आप दे दीजिए ऑफर कि आप
Opinion.
करता है। देखो ये
हमने-
अबे मराठी में एक और कहावत है, ताकॅला जाऊन भांडण
हमें
आहे
तो
बापवायचं.
हमें
आप
देखो
बोलिए ना मैम,
वो
खुल के
भूमि
बोलिए.
गोपाल की
क्यों
जो
डर
हमारे
रहे हो
साथ
आप?
आना चाहते हैं, आ
खुल के
सकते
बोलिए.
हैं.
हम
There
तो
is
कह
no
रहे हैं कि भाई
problem.
कहीं नहीं जाएगा, राजनेता चाहे जहां
चले
चला जाए,
इतना
भाई कहीं नहीं जाएगा.
इतना तो कहना पड़ेगा, but congratulations to the 3 political speakers here, in particularly to Jayesh and Susie Wen, because we're all used to Tehseen's wit and rhetoric. They've done an excellent job for their respective sides and made a lot of us enjoy this political conversation, which is how it should be. So thank you and congratulations to both of you. Always Tehseen is fun to have, and Yashwant is, of course, always incisive. So thank you very much to a fantastic panel. This was a great conversation. Mumbai votes tomorrow, and we shall have all of you back. Suzy Ben, फिर कुछ कहने की कोशिश करिए भाई, unmute करो
So
Suzy
I'm
Ben
wishing
को.
Jayesh bhai all the best for tomorrow.
Oh, okay, that's how
कल
it's
मुंबई
done.
Let the
जीतेगी,
best
कल
candidate win.
मुंबई जीतेगी, मुंबई का स्पिरिट जीतेगा.
Let the best
कल
candidate
मुंबई
win.
जीतेगी, मुंबई का स्पिरिट
Great.
जीतेगा.
Great political spirit, great democratic spirit here. Really enjoyed the conversation. Thank you very much. Namaskar. See you soon.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.
दाखव ना मला काय झालंय.